le tla be le le teng re pheile pitsa tse kgolo re batla le bona batho ba sprite re batla le bona tle re kopa bua le wena motsadi mohlomong le bophelo ba go ka fetoha utlwa ha re batle tšhelete ya gago ha re batle tšhelete re batla go bua le wena e tla le bana e tla le ntate e tla le ntate moholo mo di-groundong tsa lona tsa sprite gona jwane tjenana gona jwane brothers and sisters, we are at the grounds here. As we promised on Friday that we'll be here, we want to see you all. We have prepared a lunch for you, and our topic is based on the religion. So please, come with your children, come with your grandfathers, come with your fathers. Our Uplift Dawa program will start now, 2 o'clock at our grounds.
Say where we are and where we're from.
We are from Johannesburg, operating from Johannesburg. We have also guests from Kenya. We have also guests from Lesotho. Please come and meet us at your ground. This is the opportunity of lifetime. It might change your life. We do not ask you for any money. We don't ask you for any cent. We want to talk to you. Haruko panen batadi mari ground don zarona. Haruko panen no yana ka 2 o'clock. Program yarna ya tomorrow. Our program will be starting right now, 2 o'clock. We have promised you on Friday when we were here for the Recability today, and here we are. We want your presence. We want your presence. Okay. Related, but was straight to Galarata. Then the hula for Chakatiluna, Recopa Moni Granco, Relepete Lanchi, Recopa Relite, Recobus and Alilo Nakatabata to me. Harata Cupachele de Moluna.